Afternoon everyone, it's Martin. I didn't make a morning vlog. I was running around helping my boss a bit, so I couldn't grab my camera and footage everything, but it's fine. This is an afternoon vlog, and I hope you guys have a good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever you're on the world, in between the lines. So yeah, it's only a quick intro to the next clip. Shop guys. So guys, I'm actually just fixed a shower head. Actually took me a while, so I went to my boss quickly also, but I fixed it. Then it just a little bit. You see it work 100%. No leakages. Just a little bit of drops. That's fine. So yeah, that is what I did this morning. And a few other things. I just come from the toilet, but I don't want to work around nice. But I will check later if I can refix it or put something new there. I'm not sure. Stay tuned for much more updates for my day, my daily life. Shop guys. So guys, I'm actually just finished up with the toilet what we were busy with. A success, but still leaking a little bit. I think we will just put some stuff at the bottom. Not a big deal, not a big problem, that can be fixed. But I put a new system in and it worked very good. So the shower head is done, all other things are done. It's almost end of my day, not yet. We are in the conference room. When we put the TV on right over there, that was a little bit tricky to put on, but it's on, nice and straight. That's very good as well, very good. So there's a few jobs done today. I'm happy about it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys a little bit later. Shop guys. Guys, the end of my day, I have a long day. I help my boss with some boxes to move. And then I do a lot of today. I fix the shower head and a few other things. So it's not a super big vlog, but I hope you enjoy it. So on that note, once you guys will do this, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget notifications bell. See you guys all tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.